Hello guys, welcome to kernelly's channel, and today this is kernelly's YouTube video, guys. Yay! So yep, this is kernelly's YouTube video. He's recording us right now. Yeah, you can even see him right at the camera. So yeah, but yeah.
Guys, what you're doing?
Nothing. Duh. So what do we do now? Well, so hey guys, my name is Roblox Icon,
Oh,
and my name is Balloon, and my name is Leaf, and my name is Spoonie, and my name is Tree, and my name is a bell, but that rings, and this is Block. But this is remote control, and this is black hole. I can chuck anything up.
guys, let's go check the news.
Okay.
Let me
No.
turn on the TV.
The National Weather Service has issued a hurricane warning coming. Please take shelter immediately. The hurricane warning is gonna start at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh no! The hurricane warning is here! Ah! Oh no! I feel like the wind is coming outside! That means the hurricane started! Ah! Oh no! We gotta run! Ah! No! It's blowing us away! Help, Roblox Icon! Black!
Scissor! Oh no, black hole!
Oh no! Stay! Black Roblox Icon, help me! Okay!
Don't worry! Oh no!
It's blowing us away!
Come on! Oh no! Well, we're going to go that box over there!
Oh no, I can't. What did you just do?
I'm going down the box!
Ah.
I'm getting the...
Come on, guys, get inside that house quick immediately.
Yeah! Before we get
Come on.
so cool.
Come on, open the door.
I'm opening it.
The door's open here. Come on, guys, get in. Ow.
You should have to be careful. The door's more sharpener.
Okay. Then you close the door.
We locked you in.
Hey, let us in.
Fine.
Shit, the door's
No, the door's still locked.
What? You mean the door's stuck?
No, the door is stuck because there's poop with the door.
No, shut up. No, there's...
Take care, there's a black feet that is sucked up.
No, stuck in the back door. And yeah, what? No. Are you kidding me right now?
No.
But it's blowing us away.
I have a hammer to get it.
I think your hammer's not working. What do I do? It's blowing us away. Oh no.
This is a fine idea. Go under the plate.
I remember my life was awesome, and now I'm getting blown away from the hurricane.
Get scissors, him.
Ah!
City.
Why is... Wait, but wait. Why is the hurricane invisible? I don't know.
And now I fixed the door.
Yes, let's go in. Okay, there. Oh, but why is the hurricane invisible? Come on, get inside the house.
Oh.
The hurricane is almost there.
Hold on.
Matches in the hurricane. Ah,
Yeah.
help me. Ah, ow. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Come on! Before the wind! How will?
Belle was already in there.
No, look.
Oh. Okay.
Oh no, now what we're going to do, are we going to stay here forever?
I'm not, maybe.
Okay, but this is going to be so bad.
Let me